Hello friends, today we are going to draw Wednesday. It will be Netflix version of Wednesday. Let's start with drawing her face. Here will be V shape that coming down and up. Continue with drawing a curvy line for her ear on the right, on the left. Here we are continuing with drawing her hair. We need a point, and from that point we will draw upside down V. It will be like that. Line going down, 1 and 2. Here let's draw a little zigzag line and connect to her ear. 1 and 2. The same step is on the left. Zigzag line and connect to her ear. Now at the top we are drawing little V and curvy lines that coming to the left and down to her ear. Curvy line coming to the right and connect to her ear. Right now we are going to draw her hairstyle, her ponytails. We need to use some zigzag lines going down. Looks like Christmas tree, yeah? Down, and from another side, the same steps. Zigzag lines coming down. Repeat the steps on the right side. Okay, well done. Let's continue with drawing her body. Here, we need her neck before. 2 short lines coming down underneath her chin. 1 and 2. And right now, let's draw her collar. Here will be V shape. 1 and 2. And here we will have like kind of rectangle. Take a look. Line coming down to the right and back to the top. The same steps is on the right. Line going down to the left and back up. Here we are going to continue with her shoulders. We need shoulder line here, and there we will continue this line. Curve coming up and down. The same steps is on the right. Line coming out of her collar. Continue this line. Curve coming up and down. Let's continue with drawing her facial features. Now we're drawing eyebrows. 2 straight lines going across her face. And half of circle for her eyes. And small semicircle inside for her pupils. Yeah, let's color in some parts and leave small white part inside. And continue with drawing her eyelashes. Yeah, 2 straight lines for her eyebrows. And let's continue with drawing mouth. It will be M line above the straight line and in half of circle below for her lips. 2 dots for her nose and 1 for her chin. And right now, my friends, let's color in. Finally, friends, we did it. We finished. High five. High five. Wow, awesome. Guys, thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to subscribe, press like, and comment our videos. Bye bye.